Work much more effectively and conveniently with your inventories. Fill bins in the machine according to the last pick list generated. On the dashboard of your new Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Operations tab. Select the Machines option from the drop-down menu. Click on the icon on the top left in order to search for your specific machine or operator. Type in your operator's name or machine ID in the search field. In the hierarchy sidebar, locate your machine or operator. Click the magnifying glass icon to search. Select the relevant machine you wish to generate the pick list. Click the Products tab. You can view your current inventory status here. Please note, by clicking on this column, you can generate status preferences per product. As an example, this section allows you to define a minimum pick of 5, so you'll be notified if 5 pieces of that product are missing. Click Save. Then select the X button to exit this screen. Now, pick the Generate Picklist button. Choose your preference. To get notified if the minimum pick list is not present on a machine, you can toggle the option Use Minimum Pick List Logic per machine. In order to define a pick list for the future and predict the number of required products, you can toggle the Add Products based on statistics for Visit option. You also have the option to define the time based on your pick list. Pick the date and click OK when you're done. Select the time and click OK when you're done. Click Generate to continue. A pop-up will be displayed, confirming the action to generate a pick list was made successfully. Your pick list can now be viewed and managed effectively. Thanks for watching. We ask you to please help us help you by leaving feedback.